Walking Macau Streets. Dear Lord, show me a sign. Give me a map. Oh yeah.
Okay, this is筷子基Street, and I just saw something online that said that筷子基means chopsticks, and I think it's in Cantonese. If I'm wrong, maybe explain it to me because I need to know if I'm wrong or right about this one. But anyways, if it is, it's kind of cool because there are a lot of tall buildings throughout this whole筷子基area. And this is kind of a new area. You can see it on the map, and it's in this area that looks like it's reclaimed land because it is reclaimed land. And this is a street that follows this reclaimed land on the waterfront. And then we're gonna go inland a little bit, and then you're gonna see the other side of the waterfront as well. And if you look at the map, you can kind of see how the street goes. It kind of connects both sides a little bit. And anyways, what you really want to see is it shown to you visibly as if you were there yourself. And I'm gonna do that for you because I got my camera lens, and I'm gonna be walking through that whole street so you don't have to, or so that you know that you have to later on. Anyways,筷子基Street, let's get into it, Macau. Okay, I couldn't really tell you the name of the street yet, but I will. I definitely 100% will. And check out this little harbor. There's a harbor right in here. So I've actually ridden a boat in here. So there was a guy from South Africa that used to take people out on the boats, and I did that with him once in the past. So this is a slice of Macau for you. Patane is right over there. And then right over here we have this harbor. So this harbor, you can see tons and tons of ships. The ships kind of line up and down the whole thing over there. And they also come over here, and there's even a floating casino right there. So that one was in the James Bond movie, and there's a replica. Used to be a restaurant too that would take people there. And it's also a replica at the Cotai Strip as well, in a different casino. And so this is kind of this little stretch that we're at, and this is called筷子基. So筷子基, and we're gonna walk directly down this way, and then we're gonna go straight this way, and I'm gonna go in a little bit over that way towards this harbor. So yeah, this is called筷子基. Okay, so one of the things in this筷子基area are all these tall buildings everywhere, and they're relatively new. If you go right around there, there's a whole other space of a harbor. So this is like one giant little peninsula that juts out with water on three sides. And then this would be the end of it. And then yeah, you see the floating casino, you see all the ships. And Coast Guard is in this area as well. It's kind of a cool looking building right there, that white one. I think that white one, like if you go into this harbor, there's a blue thing right there. So you go in that area. Anyways, this particular street is in筷子基, and we're in northern part of Macau. And this is relatively new, meaning that they reclaimed the land and built this little space like this. And they also created these places to sit. So you'll see lots of people enjoying being outside in this area because they got benches all the way around. And you even have some restaurants in this area as well. They'll be a little bit further down. And then you can also see some ships over there too. So between these buildings there's another ship, and then there's Green Island, which is connected to the Macau area as well. So there's a lot of things you might not expect in this area. This one looks like it's I don't know. Looks like it's a barbecue beer place. Right there. Homey Park Barbecue. Black Bears. Okay. So now we're overlooking more of the harbor. And we'll keep on walking down. And this little place is called Waterfront Duet. which I think is I think it's a condominium or apartment building. And there's more. It stretches out a little bit further down on the other side, but our street will end up around this little, I don't know what you call that. Let's see. Oh, here's our street name. So our street name actually is called Phai Chi Khe. So this area is called Phai Chi Khe as well, and the street is also called Phai Chi Khe. So this is the Portuguese word for street. So Phai Chi Khe Street, and the neighborhood. Some of the buses will also have that reference, Phai Chi Khe. Waterfront is over there. Over on that side, there's more restaurants, by the way. And then this goes to, this bus looks like it's the start of the route for going to Nape and Rua de Coimbra, which is in Nape. Okay. Actually, there's a school right there. Quang Thai School. Escola. Sorry for my mispronunciations. As you might have guessed, I'm not a native Chinese speaker, unfortunately. I wish I had the luxury to communicate fluently. But actually here in Macau it's no problem. Everybody can code switch into English, and the menus will be code switched as well. Okay, so we're gonna come back to our sign, Phai Chi Khe sign. And I wanted to go over to the waterfront area over there. I think I still might be able to, but I'll have to go in a little bit. Oh, we're still in Rua Phai Chi Khe. So this street actually wraps around, and I'm still on it right there. I can see it. So that's kind of a game changer, because I want to follow the street all the way down, and the only way to follow it is to continue all the way to the end. But the waterfront over there is under construction. Let's see how I'm going to do this. So this is part of this neighborhood, but we're going to follow our street down, because now I know that this is Rua de Phai Chi Khe. Oh, I just fell down a step. Let's go down this way. I think we're going to go right to where this construction is at. So that'll be a game changer. I was going to go left and follow it down to the harbor where you could see it, but instead I'm going to go down this way. So I guess what we're going to do is come down. So that's the Phai Chi Khe Street sign. We're going to go straight over this way, and then this street will end our view. Okay, so now we're going to be able to see the waterfront on this side, including the ship right here. And so we basically started down that way, and then we basically just went kind of around like that, and then came over here. And then now we have all this construction down here, but you can kind of see where the water goes down a lot further down this way, because we were almost at the end. But anyways, this is Rua Phai Chi Khe. That's Green Island over there, like all those green trees. You can do hiking up there. St. Joseph's College is up there as well. So anyways, that's our target street. There's more water over that way as well.